Hello students of Standard 9th. Welcome to DAV Model Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same lesson, The Last Leaf. Hello students of Standard 9th. Welcome to DAV Model Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will start with a new lesson, packing. Packing, this extract is taken from Three Men in a Boat and it is written by Jeremy K. Jerome. The writer, Jerome, liked to pack luggage for trips and announced that he would do the packing. Jerome thought that his ability to pack luggage was better than others. He asked his friends George and Harris to leave the task of packing to him. The two friends agreed to his offer instantly, which was strange. George sat comfortably on the easy chair, and Harris bent his knees as he sat on the sofa and kept his feet on the table. By saying that he would pack, the writer did not mean that his friends would sit and relax while he would do all the work. He had meant that he would boss upon them while they would do all the chores. He would nag them and curse them for not knowing the well work, and then he would chip in to sort out the mess that they had would create. He was irritated to see them sitting while he did all work. He recollects that once he lived with a man who sat lazily on the sofa all day through and would watch the writer do all the work. The man would say that he enjoyed watching him go around doing all the work. This would make the writer mad with anger. The writer adds that he could sit idle and watch others work like slaves. On the other hand, he liked to check their work, walk around with hands in his pockets, and direct them on how to do work properly. He feels that he was energetic. It was a part of his nature to behave in that manner. The writer did not say anything to his friends and started packing. As he closed it, Harry said that he had forgotten to pack the boots. The writer felt that Harris could have reminded him before. He had closed the bag, but he thought that Harris was like that. This was followed by an irritating laughter by George, which made Jeremy wild with anger. Jeremy opened the bag to keep the boots in it. As he was about to close it, he was struck by a strange thought that he kept the toothbrush or not. He says that he never remembers if he has packed the toothbrush or not. Jeremy adds that while traveling, he always messes up with carrying his toothbrush. He has nightmares of not having packed it, wakes up in sweat and looks for it. In the morning, he packs it before using it, then unpacks the bag to get the brush and uses it. As it is the last thing that comes out of the bag and he has repacked the bag, he forgets packing it again. At the last moment, he rushes to his room to get the brush and finally he wraps it in his handkerchief and carries it to the railway station in his hand. As Jeremy was looking for his toothbrush in bag, he had to remove everything, but he could not find it. He created a mess. He found his friend's brushes many times, but could not find his brush. He kept everything packed to his bag one by one, shaking each item, and finally found the brush inside a boot. Then, once again, he repacked the bag. Now, when Jeremy closed the bag, George asked if the soap was there inside it. As Jeremy was impatient, he replied that he wasn't concerned if it was there or not. Close the lid and strap the bag. Then he realized that he had packed his spectacles in it too and had to open it again to get them. Finally, the bag was closed at 10:05 p.m. Then they had to pack the food baskets. Harris said that as they were left with less than 12 hours to leave, they should pack the baskets as well. Harris decided that the food baskets would be packed by him and George. Jeremy agreed to take his turn for some rest while his friends packed the basket. Now let us quickly recapitulate what we studied today. Jeremy, Harris, and George are ready to set out and journey. They start packing for it. Being the narrator, Jeremy describes how the packing experience went. We can see that Jeremy is quite confident with his packing skills as he handles it all alone, while in reality he wishes to simply supervise the packing sessions while making his friends do the work under him. However, they listen to him and let him handle it all by himself while they sit and relax. This does not impress Jeremy and he gets to it. Finally, after a long packing session, he packs the bag up while his friends watch him quietly do all the work. Soon, Harris tells him about the shoes that he did not pack, and Jeremy will have to reopen the bag to make the space for them. Thus, after learning about the shoes, Jeremy remembers his toothbrush, which he did not pack. In order to find it, he empties the hole just for one toothbrush. Alas, he finds it inside a boot and packs the bag again. Dear students, based on our today's session, here is a short assignment for you. Have a nice day. Thank you.